Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today, we'll discuss how to automate NetSuite. Automating NetSuite can significantly improve efficiency and reduce manual effort across financial, operational, and administrative processes. Here's a guide on how to automate NetSuite, from simple built-in tools to advanced integrations. First, Workflows, SuiteFlow. NetSuite's built-in workflow engine allows you to automate business processes without coding. Use it to auto-approve or route purchase orders, send email alerts when a record is created or changed, automatically update fields based on conditions, navigate to customization, workflows to create workflows. Next is to create saved searches and scheduled emails. This automate data reporting and alerts. Use it to send weekly sales reports to sales managers, alert finance of overdue invoices, trigger reminders for contract renewals, navigate to reports, saved searches, all saved searches to create new saved search. To schedule emails for a saved search, open the saved search you want to send. Navigate to the Email tab, then configure the schedule, including the date, frequency, message, and time you want the emails to be sent. SuiteScript. For more advanced, custom automation, NetSuite offers SuiteScript, which supports scheduled scripts, user event scripts, RESTlet web services integrations. Use it to auto-generate invoices based on usage, custom approval logic not supported by workflows, integrate with third-party systems via API, navigate to customization, scripting, scripts. SuiteTalk. NetSuite's APIs allow external systems to read-write data in real time. Use it to sync NetSuite with CRMs, e-commerce platforms, or payroll systems. Automate data import-export from external databases. SuiteAnalytics Workbooks. Automate reporting and dashboard visuals. Use it to create custom dashboards for KPIs, build dynamic drill-down reports, refresh data automatically. Navigate to Analytics Workbooks. Third-party automation tools. You can also integrate NetSuite with platforms like Celigo, Boomi, MuleSoft for full integrations between cloud systems, Zapier, Make, Integromat for light automation, e.g. Slack alerts, spreadsheets. Scheduled scripts and map/reduce for heavy data jobs, e.g. mass record updates. Use scheduled scripts. Run at a time you specify, map-reduce scripts. Process large datasets efficiently. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more NetSuite tips and insights. See you in the next one.